Okay, we're at the Muslim cemetery in Macau. Got this really amazingly beautiful city right here. There's a hotel right there, and it's starting to rain, but we have some kind of classic architecture, public health building. But this Muslim cemetery is where the Muslims were buried in Macau in the Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. We're buried in Macau in the historical way, and I'll explain what they were doing here. Well, I'll explain it right now. They were basically like a lot of them were like police officers and kind of like to enforce the law. And I guess the reason they did that, the Portuguese would hire them to work here because they I guess they didn't really, I'm not sure exactly why they didn't hire Portuguese, but I think that the Muslim element was usually people from what's they called, Malay, and the other ones were like from the Bangladesh area, Bangladesh, India. But there were two Muslim groups that were Malay is of course Malacca from Malaysia, because the Portuguese also had a big presence in Malacca, Malaysia, and then they also had a pretty big presence in Goa, India. And so the oh, that's pretty cool right there. Amazing. Wow. Let's walk just a little bit there. Wow. Really beautiful view right here. Incredible. Wow. Really nice right here too. So yeah, actually the racetrack comes around this corner too, the Grand Prix. So right now it's just regular cars, but later it'll be, it's really cool right there. But later that will be, Grand Prix will be, they'll have their racetrack built in that same space. So okay, we're gonna keep on walking. It's a big hospital up there. Could go up to the hospital and try to walk through that, but I think today I'm just gonna go straight and try to film straight down this way. It's a pretty cool view right there too. Kind of makes you wonder about these apartments, if they're worth a lot or a little. It's like a little bit, it's not really located very well in relation to other things for most things in Macau. But on the other hand, you get these beautiful views and there's a nice breeze up here. I'm kind of walking with the traffic, so might have to be a little bit careful here. Huh. So okay, so yeah, basically they're I can't remember the other name, but Malay and another one, which is some group from India. So they were all the policemen, and I guess my understanding of that is because oh, that's funny. There's a pedestrian. You can walk over that bridge right here. Huh. But yeah, my understanding is because they would hire them because they wouldn't be sympathetic. So if they just hired all Chinese, then maybe there would be you know, a different kind of loyalties, and they weren't really sure. Who knows? So so they kind of stuck with. Let's see if we can walk this way. I don't know if this what this is, but there's lots of people walking from the hospital here, and we'll just see what this is. Oh, okay. So yeah, we can just keep walking right down this area, overlooking a school and a garden too right there. Okay, so that's basically the story with the Muslim cemetery. So maybe that was kind of interesting, and now you have a good sense. It's kind of up on a hill, kind of near a lot of really beautiful Portuguese architecture. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little space. It's a little bit of a challenge to get to. And look at this, I have this kind of dangerous path, so I'll have to walk across and see if we can walk this from this side. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that.